Yo, what's up guys? Hopefully you can hear me, but uh we're trying something new. But basically, I hope the video by now should be out today. It's the 5th or the 4th. It's a Friday, so maybe the 5th, I'm not really sure. But basically, today we're gonna go get some seat time, get some practice in, work on my body position. That's something uh, I'm kind of shaky on, so um, yeah, and it's very sunny out, so if you guys can see, and yeah, the bike is 100% healthy, and everything is fine, and yeah, so this one, on the other hand, is 80%. The fork seals are kind of gone. Um, I think I need to speak to my mechanic and just get those sorted. Then I think I can officially start riding this bike again. It's still rideable, but nah, I don't know. Better, just to sort out the issue aside, then we will be good. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you like, share, and subscribe. Yeah. Alright, so we are now driving to where I'm gonna drop off the car and trailer, and we're gonna ride from there onwards. So today, like I stated earlier, we are gonna be working on body position. We're gonna be, I don't know if I can say working on braking, because that's not really the place to work on that. Sorry if the camera is shaky, so I apologize for that. I apologize. Trying to get more confident on my right side, because I can sort of kind of hang off on my left. Like I can sit and then lock my thigh in and everything and hang over the bike a little bit. But on my left side, on my right side, it's a bit more difficult. I don't know what I could do to help with that. Of course, more riding, more seat time, and all that stuff. But we're gonna continue practicing where we can, of course. Try and make the most of what we have up until I can finally go to a track day. But anyway, I think that's enough talking before I bore you guys to death. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, also subscribe. I'm trying to reach 500 subscribers before of the year, like August, July, around that time. So please like, share, also subscribe, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm gonna check the tire pressures, and we're using this. It's for suspension, but it reads pressure, so I think it will work. The back is 2.1. Okay, so back is 2.1, front is 2.5. So hopefully that will be fine. And it's quite hot today, so I think the tire will heat up pretty quick still. What's up, guys? We have arrived at the road to Mangayane. I don't know. I hope you guys. My music is like blasting in the helmet, but anyway. As I was saying, we are at our usual stop, and I decided to do a sighting lap instead, because I was planning on riding from start recording from down there. But yeah, I decided I'd better to do a sighting lap, and then I'll resume with you guys once everything has once the video starts properly. Yeah, so now I have to decide if I might do 2 or 3 runs. I think 4 will be pushing it. I'll see how I feel after the third run up. But besides that, I took it pretty easy. I just chill for a bit because it's the first run up. You don't know what you're gonna find, which is something that's very important. Depending if you're gonna be riding in one place for like up and down, up and down, up and down. So it's very important that you take it easy so that you don't, you know, if something bad does go wrong, it's not gonna be your first try. And not that we want something to go wrong, but just a precaution, if we can call it that. By the way, if it looks a bit too dark, I'm using an ND32. It's pretty bright out for one. Two, my other ND filters are all cracked, bro. Man, I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't happy about that run. It was, I don't know. Every time, like, when I go into the first corner, I'm all set, like, okay, sit off the seat a little bit, hang off a little bit of the bike, and then, chest facing the direction you're going. And then once the second corner comes, I don't know, my mind just forgets, and I don't know. I just stay where I was. So I have to keep remembering, you have to keep moving. And halfway through the ride, I got scared a little bit, and then, yeah, so anyway. I think let's resume once I get down there and then come back up. Technically, I know, um, because I'm sitting off the bike and all that stuff, so it's not what I'm used to, so the whole thing just feels foreign, and I don't know. I tried to sit a little bit further off the bike on my, on that first corner, but I just, I don't know. It just felt so odd, you know. So, fuck, I'm so tired, man. I think that will be the end of the video. So, yeah. To be honest, I think I'll end it right here, because what I want to do might take a little bit of time, so just need some planning and stuff. And yeah, I don't think you guys will want to see that, but regardless, man, I apologize. This video wasn't okay. I mean, this is still like practice, so, but it wasn't what I wanted it to be from the riding aspect. But I tried, man. I tried. So maybe it will come out okay at the end. But yeah. So right now, I think this will end the video. I hope there's enough riding footage for you guys to enjoy. But honestly, man, thank you guys for watching, and once again, I'm always happy to see you guys support me. Your support kind of goes a long way in terms of motivating me to continue making more content, because you know, sometimes you just want to go out and you're like, man, should I record? Should I not record? You know, especially if the videos, not that they're not doing well, but like, yeah. So anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you guys like, share, and subscribe. Also leave a comment if you have questions. And yeah, let me just get a walk around of the bike. And yeah, but it's a bit dark, and if I remove the ND filter, it will look so bright. Let me just do it for you guys and see. Yeah, that won't work. But yeah, that is pretty much it. So see, she's very pretty. She is very pretty. Yeah, anyway guys, I think let's cut the video here. Thank you for watching, and yeah, till next time.